Okay. Let's go. Game 3. Let's go. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng San Juan Integrated School. Oh, still number 15. Basket! Para kay Infante. Ang nagharap last season. Muling magkakaroon ng rematch. Ayan na. Oh! There is a foul. By the way, sa mga kakatsunin lamang po, ang Nicanor Ibuna po ang ating defending champion ngayong taon para sa elementary division ng ating San Juan City Interpublic School 2024 champion. Yan sila Caleb, ano yan Wizon. Oh, there's a traveling. At ngayon sila graduate na. Sila Caleb, Buzon. Shoutout sa inyo. Ayan, sila Borhal. Oh, yes sir. Okay, warning for the delay in the game. Ang another steal. And that's a pushing foul. Or kickball. Bola rito ng Lord Nicanor Ibuna. Traveling. Number 15. Nakalusot. Steal ng San Juan Integrated. Here comes Aki. Oy! No good. Rebound by Marcos. Pinasa. Oh, out of bounds. Ng Oopsie. Running shot and score! Wow! 6-point lead para sa defending champion. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi sila ngayon. Oh, that's a traveling. Bola rito ng defending champion. Oh, still. Here comes all the way. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Makakuha na dito. Oopsie. Good defense din para sa San Juan Integrated School. Marcos. Nasa corner. Jam shot. Too strong. Rebound. And there's a foul. In the line, jersey number 4 and the first basket para sa San Juan Integrated School galing kay jersey number 4. Time remaining 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Basket is good. 6-2 ang ating talaan. Here comes Infante, nabitawan. Ayan na, all the way in basket. Mandatory substitution. Umahabol na rito ang undefeated team, ang San Juan Integrated. Ayun na, pinasok na ang kanilang superstar na si Nolasco. Time remaining 5 minutes and 8 seconds. Rito ng Nicanor Ibuna Elementary School. Still number 30 still. Ayan na. There's a foul. Ng Nicanor Ibuna, or ating defending champion. Running shot, no good. Basket para San Juan Integrated. Steal by Nolasco. All the way. Basket. And a double team. Steal by Nolasco. Nolasco. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated. Pass number 5. Take a shot. No good. Ayan na, nagagawan. Ooh. And no good. Basket na naman para sa San Juan Integrated. Sa corner, number 7. No good. Rebound ng Central. Ayan na, Nolasco. No good. Wala pa rin. Using the board. No good pa rin. Number 7. Wala pa rin. Ayan na si number 7. Steal. Oy, good hustle para sa Nicanor, pero nagawan. Nolasco, wala. Wala pa rin. Number 7 with a putback. Substitution. Official timeout. Time remaining, last 28 seconds. Oh, steal! Ayan na, number 7, Borromeo. Wala mistake, tama ba? Yes, di Borromeo yun. Another steal para San Juan Central. Uy! Malaki na po ang kalamangan. Napako na po sa anim ang defending champion natin. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 21-6 in favor pa rin sa San Juan Integrated School. Go back to the ball game. Second quarter. For 3, no good. Wala pa rin. Makuha. Floater and score. Ayan na si Infante. Infante rumagasa at pumasok yan. Nolasco, block by Infante. Ayan na, side step, no good. Number 7, no good pa rin. Steal lang Nicanor. Ayan na. Steal. Nolasco, no good. Steal. Wala. Infante and a lift-in violation. Bola rito ng San Juan Central. Nolasco from elbow 3, no good. Rebound ng Nicanor. Number 15, Infante, no good. Iba ba Infante? Hesitation. Binigay. Number 35, no good. Rebound. Get the save. Out of bounds. Wala rito ng San Juan Integrated. That's the 3, short. Out of bounds. Infante. Cross pass. Sa corner. Running shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Oy, seal. Infante all the way. Basket. Running shot. No good. Basket is good. Full court defense ng San Juan Integrated. There's a foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Bola ng Nicanor Ibuna. Infante. Cross-court pass. Nakuha. Out of bounds. Bola dito ng San Juan Integrate. Oh. Infante. Oopsie. Same ball. Tanes. Out of bounds. Bad pass. Aki. Jump shot, too strong. Rebound. Out that pass. Uy, nabitawan. Out of bounds, bola rito ng San Juan Integrated School. Side step, wala. Cross-court pass, out of bounds. Tumira at pumasok yan. Oh, bad pass. Number 24. Uy, walang tawag. Rebound ang Nicanor. Ayun na, si Infante. Violation again. Para Infante. Wala. Time remaining, last 51 seconds. Marcos. There's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 1. That's Aki Marcos. First shot para kay Aki. Wala. The rebound. Steal. Wala. Rebound. Infante, steal. Marcos, no good. No good pa rin. Pass to Aki. And score. Aki Marcos is in the house. Ayun na, si Infante. Up and under, no good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to Aki. Uy, Marcos, nabitawan. And that's the end of our first half. Fish has scored 35-10. In favor pa rin sa San Juan Integrated School. Okay, halftime tayo. Ay. Shoutout po, Mami! Ayan, si Mrs. Marcos is here para supportahan ang kanyang anak na si Aki. Okay, third quarter tayo. Let's go! Oy, bad pass! Steal! Ayan na ang Central all the way. Biggest lead of the game. Another steal. Here comes. Libre. Oy, wala. Out of bounds. Traveling violation. Wala rito ng ayun na, pinasok na ang kanilang superstar na si Infante para sa Nicanor Ibuna. Nasa corner, jump shot, bang! 40-10. Infante, nagmamadali. Infante, the bulldozer, and there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 15, Infante. shot, wala. Rebound. Makuha ng San Juan Central. Number 12, Pilasa. Tumira and wala. Rebound. Borromeo binangga muna at tinira. Ayan na, si Infante. Nagmamadali. Infante. Tumira. Wala. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng San Juan Integrated School. 41-10. Pinasa gitna. Borromeo. Basket. Pass number 21. Wala. Number 12, no good. And out of bounds. Bola rito ng San Juan Nicanor Ibuna Elementary School. Hindi ka na magawan. Uy. Gets the 3. No good. Rebound number 12. Ayan na, Biligay. Running shot and score. 45-10. Sa corner. Jump shot. No good. Rebound ng San Juan Integrated. Uy, pick up and score. 47-10. Infante, may tanga ng bola. Infante, nakalusot. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Borromeo. Borromeo binigay sa kanilang point guard. Uy, change direction. Tinitigan pa. Grabe, Central, nagpapakitang gilas ng gusto. Si out of bounds. Mandatory substitution. Ng Central. Sa corner, steal ng Nicanor. Pass to number 15, Infante. Infante nagmamadali. Infante. Oh, steal. Steal again by Infante. Infante, binigay. Number 28, wala pa rin. Rebound dito ng San Juan Central. Kaya na, nagmamadali. Number 6, out of bounds. Bola rito po ng Nicanor Ibuna Elementary School. Oh, steal. Number 10. Oy, block. Pero may foul. Si Infante. Sitting on the line ng jersey number 10 para San Juan Central. Wala. Second shot para jersey number 10. No good. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng Central. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Nakakuha na ng Ibun na Nicanor Ibuna. Infante. There's a 3. No good. Outlet pass. Nolasco na bitawan. Bola ng Nicanor Ibuna. Infante, bad pass. Lifting. And a stepping on the line, backcourt violation. Bola mapupunta sa Nicanor Ibuna Elementary School. Hindi ka na magawan. Infante, steal. Here comes Nolasco, 2 against 1. In and out. Nolasco, wala pa rin. Ay na, makuha. Grabe ang katawan ng Infante. Bad pass. Nolasco, wala. Rebound by Nolasco. Floater, wala pa rin. Nolasco, block. Nolasco na rebound. Gustong makabawi. At nakayon na nga. Naipass na ni Nolasco ang bola. 51-10. Ayan na. Uy. Out of bounds. Guys sa loob. Uy, wala. Guys, offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng San Juan Integrated School. Nolasco. Uy, munti ka na Ayun na. Nolasco, make a shot. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Infante. Outlet pass. What an extra pass. Number 28. Uy. Out of bounds. Uy. Nolasco, floater, no good. And score! Nagpa-flex na si number 10. No, out of bounds. Bola rito ng Central. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official scores 53-10. In favor pa rin sa San Juan Integrated School. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Nicanor Ibuna rito. Charge? Try mo dyan sa isa. Times nila ba? Okay, back to the ball game. Official score of 53-10 in favor of San Juan Integrated School or San Juan Central. Aki, what a nice pass! Oopsie. Out of bounds. Good defense. Para kay Aki Marcos. Marcos, top of the key for 3. Bang! 3 points para kay Aki Marcos. Ayun na. Infante nagmamadali. Crossover. Uy! Out of bounds. Talagang inihipit siya. Tinutulok. Hindi siya makawala eh. Good defense para sa San Juan Central. Marcos, kick out. Oh, bad pass. Bola ng Nicanor Ibuna. Infante, steal. Marcos, uy! Oh. Intentional foul. Natulak. Sa part of the game. Okay naman si Happy. Parang intentional foul ata, intentional foul or technical. Technical free throw para kay Akim Marcos. Wala. Time remaining, 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Bola pa rin dito ng San Juan Integrated School. Marcos. Basket. Rep. Wala harangan mo. Marcos and score. What a shot! Too small daw. Uy. There's a foul. Number 35. And that's a traveling violation. Marcos. Pass number 4 for 3, no good. Rebound, steal, and score. For number 24. Steal again, Marcos. Another steal, side step. Uy, wala. Rebound. And score! Ayan na, lumalaki na po lalo ang kalamang. There's a foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 28 seconds. Bola rito ng San Juan. Nicanor Ibuna. Pass, steal. Number 24, wala. Rebound, number 4. Finding open space. Basket yan, steal. Ayan na, wala pa rin. Steal again ng San Juan Central. Catch and shoot, wala. Number 19 from the corner. Short. Rebound again ng San Juan Central. Jump shot is good. Ayan. Para kay number 12. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 36 seconds. Gets the three, no good. Out of bounds. Gets a three, short. Save it. Oopsie. It's a violation. What a pass. Uy, fade away shot. No good. Wala pa rin. Number 6, up and under, no good. Number 6, and score. Last 2 minutes. Oh, good rebound. Outlet pass. Number 13. What an extra pass and score! Ay na ang another steal. Inay. Basket. Oh, basket! Para sa Nicanor Ibuna. Basket by number 6. Hoy! Number 10. Wala. Number 10. Last 19 seconds. Wow. Still. Wala pa rin. Ang San Juan Integrated School. Our final score 82-12. And a nice game para sa ating defending champion. Alright, magbabalik tayo para sa ating fourth and a main event. Pedro Cruz versus Pinaglabanan Elementary School. Ayan. At magbabalik tayo. Hey, shout out! Congratulations to our San Juan Integrated School and a nice game para sa Nicanor Ibuna or our former defending champion. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Ay, maraming salamat po.
Nawa ka sa bata eh.